I don't know why I felt like this was the umjolo ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngawo namuhla. I've got so many stories go inbox at the moment, but I chose this one for today. Ingcenye singafikelwa ngumusa sengingalixoxela njani ezibe ngo2, but kuyathatha isikhathi and then anyway, right. So umjolo wanamhlanje uinvolve abantu abathathu as usual, right. Ngicela ukufaka disclaimer before I start. Ungathola ukuthi le story engisikhuluma isihambelana nesimo wena oke wafika kiso kumbe oke wasiphila kumbe oke wadlula kiso. Nxa wena labena labo ababili abanye elali kiso leso story lingazange lantshela leyo ndaba ukuthi ukuthi lani liphile ini i-deja vu ephilwe ngabanye abantu somewhere else. Nxa usizwa sihambelana xathu yazi ukuthi omunye wena ungitshelile kodwa lawo uvumelekile ukuthi i-broadcast ingaphela ungi-inbox ungitshele iside lakho nxa uthola ungazantwa story esiyabe sikhulunywe maybe wena awurepresentwanga in good light or asikhulunywanga ngeqiniso wena olaziyo. Akuliwa angiso investigator womjolo, angilungisa izinto zomjolo, mina ngikhuluma engutsheliweyo ngaye nalo ongitshelileyo ngikhuluma khona okay ngikuzwileyo. I appreciate ukuthi akula muntu ongabe yezontshela istory somjolo yena abe yi-bad person in that story. Asikahlangani laye lo silesifiso so yedwa zabiyedani mina ngeke ngamgilela umntana abantu iqhuba kodwa kwamanje asikamtholi sithola abagilelwe. So eqinisweni ungathola ukuthi istory engisikhuluma isihambelana la hade sorry shem uthi ukuthi either labo kade liphilisana laba abawenzele umjolo lawe bangitshelile story nje sifana lokuthi nawe into odlulekiyo. Disclaimer, dlulile, right. So, umjolo wanamhlanje. Uthi udadewethu nxa ekhuluma lami umfonele sakhuluma ku WhatsApp emavikini ami anyway it doesn't matter when it was. So uthi yena udadewethu sisa mina yazi ukuthi indaba yangehlelayo shem angifuna ukuqambela amanga yangimangalisa. Uthi yena usisi istory sabo begins ngobo 2020. Uthi yena lo mngakhe ngicela igama lika sisi wethu ongifoneleyo ngicela igama lakhe someone give me a female name ubusinginika le male name. I prefer amabizo esindebele, I don't know why ngoba ngabantu abangamandebele. Ngicela nibizo lika dadewethu lo muntu wakhe for starters. So dadewethu uthi yena ngo 2019 that's when their drum izinto zabo eziqalise khona. Uthi hayi bese sileminyaka lo muntu wami besithandana sikahle yebo noma uthi yena hayi thina bese sileminyaka sithandana lo muntu wami konke bekuhamba ngoline yonke into inhle besingahlali sonke phese but besingabantu labana ukuthi abantu bangikhaya sebesazi both sides. So lambe ngikwanisa ukuthi kwesisikhathi ngihambe ngiyolala ngibo kumbe you know la yakatshone ngikhaya ngothi ukuthi yena uzalala ngikhaya but yena usisi uNomo bekwanisa ukuthi ahamba ayolala ngale komfana ngicela ibizo la komfana as well. So uthi yena uNoma ngokuya ngokuhamba kweminyaka just about 3 or 4 years si data everything kuhamba kakuhle around 2020 laphana uqalisa amahemhem ama COS kulaba abayazi uqalisa amahemhem ama COS kuthiwa kule work permit le yenziwe eEngland uyahamba uyesebenza kwathulika kwaborder izinto ezinjengazelezo. Unoma uthi hayi yena lo muntu wakhe yena personally abe very interested because ule relative ese-island umuntu lana amtshela ukuthi hayi ngihlala ulungiselele ukuthi abafuna lokho bafuna izinto ezinje bafuna izinto eEngland bayathatha. So uthi yena unomagijima lungisa amaphepha laye athina hlanganise akuka applywa as such but more like ukuthi ngase ngidinga ipaperwork yangikhona efunekayo wena uthi kufuneka ama remember when it first started angithi abantu bezenzela ama classes ama IELTS behlala eclassini bafunde lokhana ukuthi ayafundiswa YouTube bekungakafiki abantu behamba besenza iNS8 begqoka ama uniform. I think that they still do because ngiyake ngithi ngobulawayo bona abantu begqoka ama uniform emhlophe uzothiwa ama NS8 but kuthiwa abantu bebenjani ngaleso sikhathi uthi ngabe ngingena ikhosi yeNS8 mama ngaqeda ikhosi yeNS8 ngangena kuyayenza iattachment yami empilo laphana hayi izinto ziyahamba ziyahlangana ngithi uthi hayi nxa sesiyafika khona ngabe nxa ikhosi yakhe le ukhulekana okay nxa ikhosi yakhe sizaphela konke amaphepha akhe sehlangana lapha isiso ngabe sithi badokhulekani khona phansi nxa soqala ukuthi konke amaphepha ethe right singaqalisa ukudinga umsebenzi sokulama agent abuyayo avele emazweni babesuke eUK besekhaya khona bese recruiter besenza. So udadewethu uthi hayi mina ngase ngisithi sengiready vele ukuthi ngilungise izinto zami mpa sabe sibambisiso nare nama amaplan ongavela chabalala uthi xa sesibona ukuthi hayi sesizithwele sibese sikhuluma lobani lokhulekani ukuthi hayi ngcono maybe indoda wena kube ngoyenza amaphepha lawa udinge iphepha leli permit leyi uhambe wena emazweni mina ngisale lapha ngibelethe umntwana ngimkhulikhulisa njengoba kuthiwa khona le kuyahlupha izinto ze-child care phela sihlala sibayethusela abantu khona iyahlupha kodwa abanye bayagcina bechaya luvalo so uthi sivumelane lokhulekani ukuthi hayi ngangcono yena kube nguye sethatha i-button stick aqalise ukufunda izinto zama-COS lezi i-paperwork yangikhona ahlanganise from ILTs to the course NSAID to kuthiwa lokho ama-police clearance konke nje ama-TB watho ayenza ukhulekani hayi kuyahamba nxa yena la echova lesiso siyachova phela la nanechova la lo yachova into yakhona it takes time as we all know uthi kodwa at that time we were very happy, everything was going well, sasi excited, we're beginning to see ukuthi ukuhamba kakhulekani first rather than ukuhamba kanoma would be better. Hayi ukhulekani indoda phela indoda yamela iyafika ngali kona ukuthi kuhamba njani ifaka izinto zonke zihlangane biza umfazi angithi hayi ugela uthi esisu sikhule athi eselabo 7 months izinto ziphumelele bathole iCOS yabo sokungu 2021 at this point bathole 2021 khona lapho I think anyway asithi sokungabo 2021 khona pha baphumelele ngoba umntana ukuthi wazalwa ngo2021 so yeah 2021 so uthi khona phana nxa umnyaka ka2020 ususiyaphela finally bathola uagent le mali abantu bebehlanganisa konke kuyabhadalwa asomali ezinenge at that point abantu sasingakafundi phela ukuthi ama-COS athengiswa abantu basaphonga ubhadalisa ama-admin fee maybe le flight lana bakafike ebangeni lokuthi bakubhadalile asikafiki kuma-million dollar 1000 lana ayisebhadala so uthi hayi isikhathi sifika athe sele 7 months iphumelele iphuma iCOS bahlale futhi okwezinyanganyana ukhulekana kanjani athola imali yokuba bezama ukusave imali yetikiti ukuthi abuye emazweni ukhulekana thola imali yetikiti bayenza imishikashila abayenza bahasile basile ukhulekana thola imali yetikiti konke uhambe ngoline ukhulekana fly over 2021 beginning ukhulekana belende UK hayi ke konke ukuhamba kahle unoma sale ekhaya ngale esenzani ebeletha unoma uthi sisa ngesikhathi ngivele ngizithwele laphana yebo akuzange kube le any official thing that was done ukuthi kumbeni uyavela uyakangaziyo kwathini but you just naturally nje ngagcina sengizihlalela ngibo uyabona well no one asked anything ngikhaya labo besani bebuze we were officially a couple and it into zonke bese right the expectation was that at some point uzalobola uzovela konke kuzalunga but because abazali lezihlobo they were all seeing effort esasifaka towards ukuthi ukhulekana ahambe emazweni the money that were required the energy the time kwakungayenza ukuthi abadala bese sithi in the meantime as well sicela uzovela uzokhupha izimali iyaphuma ngapi ngoba sizama ukuthi siye emazweni so there was a sort of like an agreement that wasn't an agreement ukuthi kuzayenziwa kodwa okwamanje ugel wahamba wahlalela kwabozala ugel uthi ngibelethe umntana etho inkazana impilo ihambe kamnandi baby girl uyakhula ngoba mazala ngihleli kahle ukhule kanjalo uyafika emazweni laphana ayuthi sisa angifuni ukuqamba amanga first month yakhe he struggled really struggled umuntu nje okade engajayelanga ukungahlalile ezihlobo abazali labo dadwabo including his girlfriend as well so he struggled ukuthi acclimatize to England esihlala yedwa usebenza you know sometimes abantu babuye emazweni lapha benga understand the amount of working, the extent, you know, the energy, the pressure you have on your mind, the energy you need on physically, you know, and kuthiwa wayesenza idomke evuke ekuseni uthi sisa wayevuke ekuseni maybe ngabo 5 ahambe emsebenzini echayise kusuku ngo10 uzazama ukuthi mina message kumbe ukufone sisi10 chayise leseni endlini but umuzi ukuthi umuntu udiniwe uphele du and he was doing this 3 or 4 times a week uyabonga ama days akhe off vele tshonelele watcha ayisenza but he was missing his family big time so the idea was ukuthi at least ngesivumelano sabo bona as a couple unoma lokhulekani kanye labazali was that at least umntwana angakhula maybe abe le 1 year what they will do is unoma uzachiya umntwana ngikhaya labazali then yena bese buye UK for a little while ba acclimatize, then bese bethatha futhi in umntana. That was the idea. Hold on. Right. Sorry ngicela drink. Sengibonga nje amazulu amasekuyaka kokhabazela. Anyway, so unoma uthi first month uhambe njalo, things are really bad for Khulekani. He's struggling really mentally. I think he was struggling very well, and because of that struggling, you know what, sometimes nxa usubuye nga, it doesn't matter ukuthi you've been here 1 day, 2 days or 10 years. Sometimes black text abantu bekhaya, they expect ukuthi the minute uqansa nje usuzokuthi lendi yani la, life becomes better for you. But Khulekani was struggling. Khulekani was struggling and now the drama chef. Khulekani was struggling. And then hold on guys, you diluted juice. Lianisting ya guys, the voice amasesenam. Right. So Lianizwa, I don't see any comments or anything. Are you hearing me? Yeah. Oh, thank you. So for the first month, Khulekani was really struggling. Not financially, but I think emotionally and psychologically and physically. This is the first month. Second month, kube ngani kuyadeda kuba ngcono guy la esengani seqalisa ukuthola kuyi some sort of balance. Uhambe third month, hayi la esengani senze labangani usekuyaphume la ayekuthi 1-2 eBhawa laphana, you know, la yakahlangane lamajida. I think abantu kanjani asebenza labo, you know, sela kungabangani enyane, group of friends la ase hang out la, and life is getting better. Yathumeze ekhaya khona okwakwanisayo, but you know what, sometimes imali esiyabe sihola lapha is not necessarily imali yabuyihola yabingakwani zona lezi zinto kade lesifisa zokuthi qana kumbe ama ideas labe lisuke lawe ekhaya ukuthi ngingafika le ngingahola, angithi siyaphika abantu babhala phansi ye ngizahola 2,000 pounds badala rent engaka thumeze 500 ekhaya ikho le. So Khulekani la started to struggle ukuthumeza imali ekhaya because izinto zazikhona zazingakwani, and ama shift hayi made kodwa eholisa imali encane. Okay, uthi after about 4-5 months Khulekani communication back home iqalisa ukuyehla. Umuntu odiniweyo ngiyasebenza aling understand, life is difficult over here. Hayi ke phela umuntu nxa engasa communicate, the first thing, especially nxa enga communicate lo munye wakhe, the one thing that goes away is the intimacy of their relationship. Khona khala nje ukuthi babe uvuke njani nxa sokuyi once a week, before you know it, it doesn't really have the same meaning as it was ngesikhathi lisakukhuluma every day or 3 times a day. So kulo unjani umntwana, the messages are very dry, you know, awusela I miss you, ngiyakhumbula, can't wait for you to join me, to come over, or things like that. Akusekho konke lokhana, sokulabo unjani uvuke njani umntwana, lejone njani, le sharp, le right, that's it. Ngizafaka something okuncane ngemonth end ngangikwanisile, I'll see things like that. Abengikhaya labo ngale banjani bayabona ukuthi hayi izinto asahambi ngoline bona kade becabanga ukuthi zizahamba ngayo. Yebo, there was never really an agreement yokuthi at what point umntwana esele nyanga ezingaka kumbe esele eminyaka engaka. The idea was ukuthi maybe esele 1 year or so unoma uzajoin ukhulekana ngithi, but there was never like there was never a conversation about it ukuthi sahlala phansi sathi hayi wena uzasala ugcina umntwana wele 1 year then usunjoyina. There was never that, but there was just akuyi conversation khona kana okwenzakala emakhanda abantu kungabi lo muntu okuverbalize ukuthi umntwana nxa esekhululule 1 year, yabo. So nomuntu sisa I start to feel some type of way. Umuntu wami ngiyamthumezela i-message ezingaka, ngizama ukuthi ngimotivate. Thina we always singabantu abanjani abasontayo, so kuvuke kuseni ngimthumela ama scriptures usenzana. Kuthiwa ngangimthumela ama scriptures, I'll take my time ngimtypele a whole scripture. Sometimes ngize ngi-dissect kancane ukuthi ihambelane lesimo sempilo lapho thina sikhona, aphendule ngo thumbs up. Awujolo shem. Kukhuleka iPad lawo sharp. So anyway, uthi kuyaqhubeka kuba njalo. Hayi kwabangenayo. Uthi kuyaqhubeka kube njalo, hayi kuyahamba. Nxa umunye wethu ngale mazweni impilo yakhe, obviously you can see ama status liyabona bo Facebook. He's not living his best life, but uyapost us best things. Yabona umuntu engageza abe muhle la yahambe laphane kumaphandle lathi fake picture on Facebook sonke sibe like dot yakuvumi amazwi ayakuvuma. Hey, you looking all snazzy, looking all good. Angithi lina ngapha kodwa yafona uthi ngithola lele ngikhathele what anyway. Unomuthi I start to feel ukuthi something is not right lapha ngomuntu wami. Walapha sesiku almost 6 months 7 months unomama seqalisa ukuthi aqalise ukuraise iissue yani yokuthi right umntwana uyakhula phela at this point. What's the plan? Ngoba yonke into phela ifuna ukulungiselela ngeke sivuke kusasa sesithi uyabuya next month. So if the plan is ukuthi ngime aze abele 1 year bese ngujoyina, then maybe we start preparing now ipaperwork yangikhona efunakalayo. And also remember, these people are not even married, girlfriend and boyfriend. So at some point they need to come back ekhaya kuchado, then aphenduke bese ku-applyelwana i-dependent visa lana efunekayo. Angithi abashadanga phela abalobolananga, they are nothing. Ugela uthi hayi ngiqalisa ukube sengibuza umuntu wami phela ukuthi baby manje lapha sizayenza njani, wena ubucabanga ukuthi si njengoba wengane ukuthi sihlanganise njani. Uthawusheshile ukuqanda ukhu njengoba wengane wena ubucabanga ukuthi siyenze njani, uyabona, because into yethu izafuna a whole 6 months just to prepare for everything to happen, from you coming back useva i1 imali ze flight ticket yokuphenduka ekhaya after this short period of time. Ufike ekhaya sichathe, even kuye court ufike ekhaya sichathe, uapply ama visa, ukubuyela wakho ukusebenza. You need to take time off work and things like that. So uthi anxa ngikhuluma ukule ka level athi it's too early to be talking about such. We need to relax, we need to rest. Please don't. Yeah, it was the word. Kathi 7 series every time not to force her, like don't push me kind of situation. Uthi ungangi push, I'm trying my best where I am. Give me time to get things together. I know what I'm doing, like I've got a plan. And it's every time ngi raise indaba yangikhona ngani uyayibrushela aside, ngi raise indaba yangikhona ngani uyayibrushela aside. Hayi ngihlale ke la ngize ngithule ngithi hayi baba wengane uzantshela yena nxa eseready ukuthi ufuna siyenzeni. But because the communication kakhulekani is so poor now and is so dry, unoma is worried, so yena she keeps pushing communication uthi ngangithumeza sisa ama message amade, ngizama ukum-encourage, ngizama ukumkhumbuza about life back home, ngimthumezela ama pictures. Amanye kuthi ngimthumezela ama pictures omntwana ahlale 2-3 days engavulanga. I'm jealous guys, sizawuyekela straight. Imagine uthatha umntwana umgqokise umlalise embhedeni laphana umelele ipoint yokuthi azahlekelela sibayele for 30 ajone khabakhabe senzana uzuze uthole the best pic uyithumezele udate angayivuli for 3 days ipicture. Yeah, when siphila motherfucker badlela. Anyway, unomuthi hayi yena usebona phela ukuthi ila labadala ngapha abona abangokhulekani sebeqalisa ukuthi hayi makoti anti la uyabe kokunye bebuza ukuthi akuwe wena uyakhuluma yini la kimi mama njani. Yeah, uyathumela ama message kodwa aqoqo hayi I'm sure ukuthi ubusy. Abazali baqalisa ukuthi mntanami into le ivele ibingekho right ukuthi omunye asala omunye ahambe. Abadala phela bayabe besebelibonisa khonapho bona babeyibukele yonke isenzakala. In hindsight sebenkhona befuna ukufaka imbono into sezivele amasupe eseboyilele uchitheka kodwa besithi bekwabe la ifire eziko. Unomuthi hayi abadala, especially the mama was worried because umama kakhulekani was very worried because she had seen the relationship blossom. She loved her granddaughter, she loved her daughter-in-law as well, but she could see ukuthi something was no longer connected kahle. They get ukuthi sisasaze safika ku point yokuthi umntwana turns 1. At this point vele ukhulekani vele hayi usengubaba ngebizo nje once in a while uyafaka kuyimali yathi ngokwezithubombe ngam ukudla komntwana ombe kuyini happy birthday yomntwana thaya abuya ngo10 ebusuku as in the day of the birthday ayilanga lonke kwazi wathi 10 umntwana eselele ukhuleka ngikhona ethumela happy birthday my putsununu manyunyuzu my nanaza daddy happy birthday belela ngelihle ilanga selidlulile yibo ke hayi noma uthi at this point xa umntwana ethena 1 I start to feel uncomfortable ukuhlala lapha ekhaya abadala labo abangikhaya abangonoma sebemkhangelela ukuthi khathi manje what's happening kuhambani ke ngoba uhleli khona lapho what's the plan akula plan evela ukhulekani and obviously nxa ngumuntu uyahamba ngini kumbe kubo sisi bakho kumbe kubo aunt bakho you vent angithi so abangonoma they know more of what is happening behind the scenes than abangokhulekani bangokhulekani bayawazi ukuthi yes ka communicate as such but abangonoma bakwazi ukuthi even the communication yangikhona ena le khona is not the same so ku drive le yabona umfula lo jela ususela uyichebechebe hawo sokoma amanzi straight unoma bese sithi umntwana ethele 1 year 1 month unoma ahambe badaleni bazalini bakakhulekani bafana hayi labazali njani ngokubona isimo esesikhona lapha ekhaya ukhulekani njani njengoba engasafaka faki imali yokuwondla yokusigcina nini nalomntwana konke okwenzakalayo bengicela ukuthi nginjani ngihambe mina ngiye eGoli ukhulekani efonini ngiyamthola kodwa uthi kakabi ready ukuthi njani silungiselela ukuthi mina ngibuye emazweni so bengicabanga ukuthi maybe ngihambe eGoli lami ngiyoheleza njengabanye abantwana you know ngigcine umntwana ngithini so uthena abese sithi kibo bengicela ukuthi ngihambe lami eGoli njengabanye abantwana ngiyoheleza because la phela sebona ukuthi la guys sokuchile la sokuchile straight acele badaleni ukuthi hayi ahambe eGoli abadala bethi manje mntanami thina phela ngeke sikuyalele njalo ngeke sikuvumele kahle unguma wengane you like so officially so makazana sikukhuphelanga so in that sense uhleli lapha njengomntwana wasekhaya la awuhlalanga njengomalukazana awuhlalanga njengomakoti or anything like that so I decision yokuthi uhambe kumbe ungahambi is yours lokhulekana and on top of that ukuthi umntwana umchiyanga is up to you wena mama umntwana not ubaba umntwana because it's not here ungadecide uthatha umntwana yamchiya ngeni right lakho ungadecide ukuthi usichiyele thina lapha ekhaya sizosalela nomzukulu wethu asila problem lapho na futhi ungadecide uthatha umntwana akuhambelayo hayakula muntu ozakubamba uthi hayi ngifonela ukhulekani ngimexplainele ukuthi hayi mina ndoda njani sengicabanga ukuthi ngcono ngiyeGoli lapha ngoba situation yokubuye UK ikhanya ungantwana ayisoze ngidonse okay hold on guys okay so athi situation yokuthi ngibuye eGoli eUK lapho singazanthwa iyantenga ayila timeline I can't just sit and wait anymore so maybe wena nxa usalungiselela and nxa usu ready you let me know sihlanganisa izinto and anyway we can still continue to communicate sengingase ngisemzansi hayi ke ukhulekana athi hayi all right kusharp sharp uthawu kusharp okay so ngihambe eGoli umntwana ngimthenga however you think it's best okay alright ngishap diniyo okay ugela bona ukuthi hayi ukuforcesela izinto lama conversations kwesisikhathi kunjani akukusiza ungumuntu so uthi I decide ukuthi ngcono ngihambe eGoli ngichiye umntwana ngakiwo kukaGayi angithi so uGayi has been angithi usuku umntwana ele 7 months isisu sile 7 months umntwana selabo 1 year 2 months so he's been away for almost how many months about 18 months 16 months thereabouts a year and a half plus or less around that mark so ugela abese sithi okay all right mina ngizahamba eGoli umntwana ngizamchiya lapha ngini and then we'll take it as we go sizabona ukuthi siyenza njani. Ugaya Tasha ugela uthi sisa I was so heartbroken, you know, he wasn't communicating with me like the usual person that I knew. He sounded so distant. Uthi azi ukuthi phone call lana ngathi ngiqeda ngafisa ukuthi ngangimbuze ngathi ulokhu sangifuna yini, because the way esasikhuluma ngayo kwakungani ngubhuti lo sisi ngumali ngisikhuluma ngomzukulu wakhe nje ukuthi komalume nje usisi sithi umntwana ngimshiye ngihambe ngamchiyo anything, like he was so disconnected from the whole situation. Ungani yilokhana ukuthi umbuzela ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngayo nale into ontshela yona, you know what I mean. So uthi at that point I wished ukuthi ngangiyambuza ukuthi do you still want me in your life, are we still a couple? But wesaba, because sometimes you don't want to ask a question whose answer you do not necessarily want to hear. Uyabo, so yebo wayekwazi ukuthi kungani kuyanquma ngale hayi, kodwa wesaba ukubuza ukuthi kuyanqumile yini. So uthi hayi ngabe ngitheka uyizikhwamanyana kwami okubili okuthathu abazali both sides ngivalelisa umntwana ngimchiya ngibo kakhulu kanto kwakhe. The gogo loved her granddaughter, so she had no problems ukusala lo mntwana. Ngathi hayi ngizahamba mama ngiyohereza lo mntwana sibone sikwenzayo. If after a while izinto lokho zingahlangani, lokho kungazwakala ukuthi kuhamba njani, ngizayenzani, ngizaphenduka umntwana ngibe ngimthatha. Nasalo ethi hayi wena hamba uyenze umele ukwenza umntwana, don't worry, umntwana right la. It's right thina, if we are not right singaba lenkinga, singaba le problem osebele baseduze la siyakhulumisana lawo, thina ngapha sizasala sibambisana. Wena do what you gotta do. Hayi ugela suke ngenhliziyo emhlophe ukuthi at least umntana kanjani usele ezandleni ezifudumalayo, izandla ezimthandayo ezilesifiso njalo sokusala la. Asiko ukuthi umchiya nabantu abathi kade sizathini kungwethu, but they genuinely wanted ukusala lo mntwana, they genuinely loved this child. So noma uthi hayi ngisuke ngihambe niye eGoli, ngifike eGoli lami ngihereze nje abanye abantwana ngithola umsebenzi waitress, qalisa ukusebenza khulekani. Uthi ngingakabi lesikhathi eside ngiseGoli khulekani aqalisa ukuthumela message esithi I'm stressed. Hawu stresswa kuyini umuntu? Do you want to talk? Hanza kufonela ngikutshela after a few days, a week, kind of like lokho sokubuya ngama cryptic messages khona okwabo stressed, angikho right, mina impilo yami wathatha he finally calls kunjani eGoli, video calls actually, according to her, video calls. Uthi hayi ke kodwa ngaleso sikhathi la phela ngase ngifike eGoli ngazithi vavavum ngunoma lo uthi ngase ngifike eGoli ngazithi vavavum. You know, sometimes nxa ungasuka ekhaya uye eGoli, I don't know what happens, people change, like angazi kulokuyi kumbe iglow kumbe ngakubiza ukuthi, but people don't look the same. It's like umuntu engavela chapha iborder avela athi marane things become different. So noma uthi la ngafika le ngaqala ukulungisa inwele, you know, ufaka inzipho, wafaka amazipho, you know, like sevavavumile, you know, say the old noma ngase ngumama womntwana, but sengu, you know, uthi awugaya phone ngevideo call ugaya yethu, baby muhle kanga ku right wonke, hayi ngimuhle kangapi ngivele senzini la imilo nje vele ngingafaka le makeup la. Anyway ugaya athi chomi lapha kule problem. What's the problem? Athi hayi mina athi mina ngine problem lapha emsebenzini, inkampani engisebenzelayo isivalwa angenxa ivalwa uzayenza njani? Ngasathi ukuthi ngoba sebona ukuthi ama issues alapha ekhaya kule omnye nomunye sele issue yakhe yabo, so ngasathi ukuthi sizayenzani yabo, hayi manje wena baba wengane xa inkampani yase UK ivalwa wena uplan ukuthi senze njani? Hayi la wahlabona ukuthi dirile UK lakhe lafadalela right there in the first and furious. Uthi ngabe ngithi manje uzayenza njani? Is there a way yokuthola enye company ethi i-home office? Hayi yena ngaleso sikhathi kawazi home office kuyina ngithi, so ithwini eSouth Africa i-home affairs, ethi hayi i-home affairs equivalent of i-home affairs lapha bandithumela incwadi yokuthi i-company engisebenzelayo isivalwa o sesiphiwe ama incwadi lezane ze-60 days ukuthi sidinge enye visa usiphume kanje. Uthi nithi 60 days phela is only 2 months. ngithi ayikho khona okwenzakeleyo so angikwazi ukuthi ngizayenzani bengiyela ama savings impilo engiphila lapha impilo eEngland yadura kwisikhathi sonke lesikhathi bengingafoni ngingakhulumi la because I feel like I've let you down as a man. I wasn't able to take care of you. I wasn't able to take care of my family, of my child. Ngisehluleki nje kahle kahle abantu bahawukela ukuthi ngisemazweni but I was doing better ngisasekhaya, you know, sihereza sekhaya. It gives a long story of wow. Ngeke lithi ngami ngithi okay manje atholakala nama company nalawo ukuthi utshintshele kiyo switch atholakala ethi hayi ngizabe ngidinga but abanye abantu engisebenza la kanjani bathi kule akhona ama company angikhona adingwa lawo kumele udinge njengendlela esadinga ngayo ipermit COS. Ngeke lethi hayi mina uzantshela ukuthi uyabufuna ngenzeni otherwise umntwana uright ngale kumama mina ngiright ngapha konke kuyahlangana we trying our best. Ugele uyabe ezithubezela la okuyi-oros komntwana lo ngamakhumkhumu. Life continues. Yayi miphela impilo ngoba umjolo uyakunyisa. Hayi ugele uthi hayi ke after that phone call uGuy usefona back and forth ukuthi umthumu we're almost back to who we were. We're almost back to where we were before. So uyaxoxa, you know, late night conversations and things like that. Hayi kuhambe nje about 2 weeks. uGuy bese abefona ngelanga ethi John into ngane zaphumelela semtholeni omunye usisi othe uzanginceda. Ugele ethi okay ule company answer yangikhona ingabi mesh. Uthi sangikhumbula ukuthi wathi ye kumbe hayi ngalesana sikhathi kodwa ngikwazi ukuthi kwathiwa kulonjani kulosisi ozamncedisa yabo. So uthi ngiyakhumbula ngimbuza ukuthi usisi wangikhona ule company uyakunika ipermit entsha what but ngakhumbuli nje ukuthi ianswer yangikhona yabuyi iseqimqomo kumbe yakuyihamba straight kumbe wapho watshelwani but it wasn't make sure izange ibe very clear answer yokuthi usisi lo uncedisa njani kangaphi ku10 angithi unomuntu hayi lami ngijabule ngithawa athi hayi uyabona usisi lo engasincedisa into lezi zilunge konke kuphumelele baby ngabe kunjani kuyabe sokumele ngibuye ekhaya ngibuye ekhaya sichade into zethu sihambe we need to be back together as a family. Unoma inhliziyo lama kidneys ukuchaya break dance ayazi ujolo guys uthi sisangajabula ngafa ngimuzwe seqala futhi kubuyela ku conversation yethu ukuthi we will be together as a family, you know. Nami ngaqalisa ukuthi okay I can see a light at the end of this tunnel, you know. Nya understand umuntu wami ube stressed bekukunengi, it was a lot kade kuhambayo through akade hamba through eyedwa ngale thina at least, you know, at least thina besingapha ekhaya siyasupportana singumndeni singabheda ngale kokhuleka ngihamba ngikhaya and vice versa wonke umuntu it's a big family and yena ube yedwa ngale. You start making excuses for someone's bad behavior. Ukupick phone, he's got free Wi-Fi, he's got loads of data, you know. He could have easily has been communicating all along but comes up with this sob story of how ube ngakwanisa ube le stress ube njani noma false for it. Is happy ukuthi uthawuseza emazweni ngokusiflow uzobancedisa. Hayi noma uthi hayi ngimelele phela ukuthi usisi uzoncedisa. Ngimelele phela ukuthi usisi ngizwe phela ukuthi uncedisa njani. Kube siqale phansi futhi ukhulekana aqalise futhi inkulu ama conversations aqalise ukuthi taper off. Akasazwakali akasathini sefona qoqo kwesinye isikhathi uzathe sefonini ndixoxa phambi ngizakufona nokufona phone. Ama days lo amthumela ama message uhlala ama days kanjani engawa-ansanga ama-phone ama messages lawani uzabuye se messages esithi beku hectic emsebenzini sengizasuka kumsebenzi lo nomdala ngisahlanganisa ezinye izinto. Unomuthi okay ngizwile isikhathi phela siyahamba simanga ngoba umjolo uyasinisa ngithi ugele uthi ngiwe ngidecide ukuthi la it's been quite a few months ago I decide ukuthi othi ngibuyele ekhaya njani ngiyobona umntwana. Ugela hambe ekhaya afike kwazala le hayi uthi yazi sisa vele ngangifika ngizwe nje ukuthi uphephetha umoya nje uhamba ngedirection engayisiyo yabona kushaya north east nafuni west south hayi vele kuphephetha nje kulokunye okunuka santungana nje kwenzakalayo abafana the boys sebeqalile uthi ngifike you know sometimes umuntu doesn't have to give you attitude or do anything towards you. Nxa umuntu uphile laye lile certain connection uyayifeel connection yana even ngokumkhangela nje mile lapha engazange wakhuluma ukuthi sakubona yebo ukuthi something is not make sure la uthi ngafika akula ndlela abamphatha ngayo efana nje but it all felt fake. like ngafika ngafila ungazani ngiyi-stranger, you know ukuthi ufika ku-point yokuthi uzuzubuza ukuthi ngifake yini amanzi esithwala eziko, into kade ungayenzi ngoba ubuhlala khona lapho. This is how i-energy yakho, yeah, that's the word, the energy around nje yayingasekho right, wayifila ungazani uthi ngangibuza ngize ngicela ukuthi ngifake yini amanzi eziko awesithwala, and uzuzibuza ukuthi kade ngikubuzelani khona lokho, mina kuvele kumele mpheke and things like that. So uthi abazange bamphathe any type of way, but I felt some type of way ukuthi something in our relationship has sort of changed between mina nemuli le, especially uMamazala. So uthi hayi sifike laphana, hayi ngihlale, waye uthi ngangihambe for 1 week nje kuphela, ngamphiwa 1 week off emsebenzini. Uthi hayi ngifike ngihlale laphana day 1 kube right, day 2 lami ngihambe ngikhaya ngiyofashayira ngihambisa amakhumkhum lama orosi lama fish oil. Hayi hambe lo mntwana kangikhaya labo bayimbona, we enjoy, I go back that side. Uthi hayi nqambuyela sokusele just about 3 or so days, and bayakwazi phela nxa ubuye for a week uvele ule timeline yakho ukuthi day 1 yenza so day 2 ngoba isikhathi siyahamba vele fast like wifi. Uthi so senginxa semvela ngikhaya sembuyelile ngale ngoba vele ngizasukela khona ngibe sengisithi ngifika uMamazala thwangi bese hayi makotisi ngihambe afike hayi right kodwa egoli ukhule kanuli right, hayi si right mama hayi manje mntanami nalapha sibona ngathi akuzaba nzima njani ukuthi besilokho sikugcinele lapha ngoba silecala ngini, yabo ngithi lingcine ngathi nanhlala egoli, like i-problem isingafike kathesi, you know. Uthi I didn't understand what she meant ukuthi sikugcinile, ngasembuza litho ukuthi kusala nonana, athi hayi kunana siyambona but wena self uyabona ukufikela lapha makes you official umuntu walapha, whereas kahle official awusowalapha really. And yabo uthi at that moment in time maybe I had a blown moment, anzange ngikuphike ukuthi kati umama uthini, ukhuluma ngani, ethi singazitshela ukuthi maybe kasafuna ukusala nomntwana uthini nxa esithi uthi hayi uMasala ethi hayi thina you know bengikhuluma lo baba kubaba kakhulekani, bengikhuluma la lapha yesibona ungazanthi ukube silokho esiqhubeka ngecala leli kunjani akulunganga. Kangithi hayi yazwisisa mama, angezwa fokolo vele ukuthi kuthwani uphonga uvuma ukuthi uzwile ngashwanga. Uthi kuthi sokusiyalala ntambama one of the sisters, younger sister kakhulekani, abese sithi manje uzayenza njani, uzahlu uthatha izinto zakho zonke uhlu ezichiya ngini, izinto zami ngikhaya we. Ethi antu mama ukhulume lawo uthi kungikhona kusithi dlwe ukuthi hayi kahle la ngixotshiwe shayenge eviction. So umama is saying asikulobolanga asikuthathanga officially, so wena ukuthi usuke egoli ubuye uzofikela ngikhaya yithi lapha, for us as a family we are not feeling comfortable about it anymore. Umntwana yebo ngamchiya kithi lapha, but maybe wena as a person ibase lakho alibe ngini. That's what basically uMamazala, well not uMamazala, umawe baba bomntwana is saying kahle uyabo. Noma uthi ngathi sengiqalisa ukubuyela back to the conversation umama lade siba layo lami, ngibona ukuthi no man nikho akukhulumileyo mina yimi kade ngingamuza ukuthi uthini, lokho ngibhodabhoda lokho ngihleka ngize zamnole enhloni kade umuntu untshela ivana, umuntu ukhuluma la wena ukuthi hayi ngiyeza mama, hayi khona kunjalo mama ungezwa lutho. Yes, to an extent they were right, but to her it felt like uyaxoshwa angithi. So uthi ngabe ngithi no hayi ngizathwala izinto zami ngihambe. Uthi ngalala inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, I felt really broken ukuthi okay ukhulekani is acting some type of way again towards me. Labo sebesithi kuyela ngini kahle into level isichile le. Uthi hayi ngavuke ekseni ngapakisha izinto zami ngathi hayi mama njengoba ngizwile inkulumo yethu esivela izolo ngizahambisa izinto impahla zami ngikhaya, umntwana bengingazi ukuthi belifisa ngenze njani. Asikuxoxi asikuxoxi lapha angithi senzela nje ukuthi silandele isiko, silandele imithetho kahle vele bekungamelanga sikwenze khona kuyoqaleni. Ukhulekani ngiyo kanjani wasuka lapha ethembisile ukuthi engahamba as soon as efika uzathumeza okuncane lathi sihambe badaleni nithi njani so yaziwa official. So njengoba singayaziwa kunje isikhathi silokho esiqhubeka asithola ungana kukho right ukuthi ubulokhe ulapha lathi sibesilokho sikubambile, which ngesiko in a way was right, but nxa ungunoma at this point it feels like somehow they're getting rid of you. So noma uthi ngase decide ukuthi it won't make sense for me ukuthi mina ngiqothatha imshaqane yami ngihambise ngikhaya but ngishiya umntana wami la, yabo. So uthi ngase ngithi hayi tawa ishayipod. So uthi ngase ngibona ukuthi i-best plan ukuthi unovele ngihlenge ukuthi konke ngokwami including my baby shayishopha sambuyele ngikhaya. Yena kasukanga ngenhliziyo understandayo where they were coming from, uyabo. Wasuka engumuntu olenhliziyo ebuhlungu yokuthi bamxochile abasamfuni, just like ukhulekani is acting some type of way towards her, abasamfuni, so they're getting rid of her. So this is why nanxa esesuka uyakhala uthatha lo mntwana ukuthi yonke into ahamba, ukuthi ngihamba ngathi umntana wami. I felt so bad because all along she's been living there, she's almost 2 years old now. Now sesiyahlala ngikhaya, yebo abantu bangikhaya uyabazi ubajayele uyababona here and there, but akaze ahlale lapho, yabo. So now I've got to lift her up from this family, take her to that family within 2 days ngimchiye ngihambe. So I was very heartbroken about it, ukuthi ngafanele ukhulekani ngizambuza ukuthi when uyakwazi yini lokho sokwenzakela, you know, uyakwazi yini wena lokho sokwenzakela ukuthi umama kho hawuthi ngafona sibe ngathi uzwile yini ukuthi bangixochile ngini wakhulekana like xotsho mbani nga what for, awulamntu oxochileyo, you know. It is what it is. Wena ufuna ukuloku uhlaleleni khona pha because official asikayenzi lutho. Wouldn't you think it would be nicer ukuthi nxa sizavelela umuntu esihlezi la? Apparently that's what he said, ukuthi ufuna sivelele umuntu esihlezi la. That doesn't make sense. So ukubuyela ngini it's not a bad thing. Safuna hamba ngini. Anyway, took it the wrong way, took it the hard way. Went back eGoli. Ugele uthi ngafike eGoli, hayi ngaqalisa ukuthi shabara ngena ama-out ngena ama-in ama-out, uqalisa ukunatha, uqalisa ukuphila impilo yakhe because kahle as far as she's concerned yena in a mind she had told herself ukuthi uyendile, but now sesitshela ukuthi seyisingleton futhi, which doesn't make sense. So uthi ngafika eGoli laphana ngaqalisa ukudla ubusha bami ngakholisa and you know khulekani siyazama siyabambana emafonini but kwesisikhathi kazwakani ukuthi uthini, and I was like whatever happens. After some time ugele uthi sisa yazi ukuthi sometimes izinto ziyawenzakalela. Uthi ngelilanga ngithi ngiyachecka i-Instagram, anti i-Instagram uthi kaye ngayijayelanga nengumuntu wabo Facebook kanga uthi mngana methi ku-Instagram kokugceleni ama-slay queen. Angithi asambe ku-Insta, angisho ukuthi kokugcela khona yikho la yakutshelwa ukuthi ku-Instagram yikho la we see all kinds of fashion, all hairstyles, all makeup, all things vavavum. Angithi so uthi ngivule i-account e-Instagram. You know nxa ungavula i-account e-Instagram man, sometimes yathini invite ama friends or people you already know. Yabo uthi expect to set up your account like Instagram, meet people that you already know. If I get a few people, ukhulekana ukhona kwapha. Uthi hayi ke ngihambe ngiyolunguza. Uthi ngihambe ngiyolunguza ngibone hey idzedzile iphila impilo lapha eK. Idzedzile yakholisa la eK. Awuyaposta shem. Awuyaposta uyakholisa happy. Yezwa happy. Akula lokho kodwa ngikhathele njona ngilele ngivuka. Ayikho leyo. Umuntu lo is living his best life. Uthi ngibona ukuthi okay ngitawo right. Uthi mbese ngibona ukuthi man there is 1 or 2 people abangani ba-African emapikitsheni akhe lapha bathekwa and so tahamba ipressa kuma taxi lapha adlu akhangela hayi abone 1 or 2 sisters okay anyway maybe abangani bakhe emsebenzini who knows maybe ngabantu ahlala I don't know. Uthi ngiqalisa ukutexta phela uvalo soluchaya ukuthi umuntu wami maybe la iselo umuntu wakhe hey guys wena uplanning ukuthi sesingaye emazweni anytime nangu umuntu osesiba lo munye umuntu. Uthi ngiqalisa ukufona lokutexta ngithena ukhulekana uyaqanda uyawoma uyathini ugele. Uthi ngelinye ilanga ngisanda kuvula yena le TikTok a few maybe a week or so ngisanda kuyivula iTikTok liyana anti nxa uqalisile account kwesikhathi uyabungakabi kwazi into zama notifications okunye uthe yes no akwazi ukuthi uvumana uyalana anti when you start up an account. So I think you know why switch on abo notification kwathini you know uthi abone kuyaqanisa ini kuyangena notification e-Instagram efoni yakho uyayipress uyangena yakhangela lapha uyabona okay hayi abona ngani kathi akusikhulekani lo ngani uthethe pictures e-airport uyanga amtextele uthi ngifone ifoni ingangeni ngitexte ama message athike ka1 ngithi okay maybe umuntu kala data maybe umuntu usemsebenzini aqine enjalo uthi ngisachaya isidimela sona leso sokuthi kade what the hell is going on out here. One of your friends osekhaya ethi kade Bhururu uzwile nje indaba esegudini ngithi indaba yana khona khona la khona sekhaya yes okwani I think ufika izolo or if not uthana. It does not make sense. How is this possible? Ukhulekani usekhaya. He doesn't tell me. No one tells me. How? Why? Maybe ufuna ushaya surprise wona gela ungathuthelwe yini. Ugela uthi ngithi okay. Ngiqalisa ucabanga excitement amaphaphu le shy break dance. Enhliziyo shy break dance ukuthi umuntu wami ukhona wara seqalisa ukuya emsebenzini lapha nesiyacela time off phela umuntu ozakuye ekhaya yabona umuntu wakho ngoba umuntu wakho uzakuye ezombona egoli la uthi kusanjalo angithi ake sesithi uyacheck istatus se WhatsApp sikasikhulekani abone lutho kade ugela ublock uthi ngibona lutho yona iprofile picture kangisayibona why sokumnyama ebusweni bengawo atu guy ukuthi ufaka umuntu kumute umbe ku block kumbumenzeni khona ngaye unomuthi hayi ngibona ukuthi something is not make sure the same person la nomfonele wathi gela umuntu wakho khona athi gela kukhona okwenzakalayo la emuzini lo something is not right uthi hayi ke mina ngithini ngithi alright ithi ngibuye nginjani since mina ngingamtholi maybe ukuthukile kanjani nxa ukuthi usekhaya Gala simi ekhaya and simi yakhe UK njani ayisebenza that's why I can't get hold of him that's why I can't see my status la my profile picture antu yakuziduduza that's why ngazibona zonke zina lezi zinto so what I will do ngono ngibuye mina ekhaya this is that nxa ngisithi ngiyayicabanga into yankona la namhla ngiyazibuza ukuthi kade ngangisiya ngaphi Jehova uthi ngagada ibhasi yantambama ngalala travel busuku bonke uthi anzange ngilala iwona hayi uthi nxa ugada ibhasi usuka eGoli usiya ekhaya that's a very long trip especially xa ungagada ibhasi lana esuka ngo4 esifike ekhaya maybe ngabo 5-6 am if ihambe kahle ingazange yame ebhoda or anything like that abantu balala vele by 8-9 abantu babe sebelele 11 midnight lifike ebhoda laphana stembisa ama passport liphuma ngene ebhasini liyalala futhi lifuka ngo5 selifikile koBulawayo uThanzange ngiyokuqothe I kept in my mind ngizama uimagine ukuthi khule kanqanga ngimbona what will I do how will I feel you know the way I had been missing him like knowing ukuthi usekhaya was just like a blow to my mind like I was having like serious mental stuff yokuthi umuntu wami umuntu wami bengimkhanuka bengimkhumbula but all of this ngacabanga ukuthi why khulekani ngamtshelanga ukuthi uyabuya why khulekani sekhaya engamdingi even nabangibe abathi ukuthi khulekani bambonile mbebazweni ukuthi mebhuke asithi alright ngala phone wouldn't he then say ukuthi ayebona umntwana mbe abayithatha umntwana or something nothing is that is like that has happened noma hayi ayenze nje ama rationalizations akhe yedwa ekhanda acabanga ukuthi ngabe kwathi maybe uyesabile njengoba engandobolanga maybe since last phone call yethu lana ngathi ngikhuluma la ngamshawuda ukuthi ngibo abangxotshe a lot of things she starts making things up in her head as to why maybe Khulekani has behaved the way he has behaved and ngihambe ekhaya ngifikele ngikhaya hayi ke fike emadaba kusantsho ngene emchoveni uhambe endlini ugeze ufike ulale uthi uyoko mbijana usosithi kilanga sephumule phela ufuna ukufuthi la kuba lamanyemwe ubonakale ngo8 okusena abantu besashayina izidubhweni usukuchayikete so uyakulokho sithi wathi ngimele isikhathi sihambanyana kungani ubusucabanga ukuthi ngafika ngo9 bathole besidla breakfast hayi wathi ngiqale badle breakfast kuye kuyuthi maybe after breakfast bazofuna ukuhlala bexoxe njengemulo wathi ngime ngifike ngo1 maybe ngo1 baqalisa ukudla lunch she continuously starts delaying ukuyafika khona ngalo kuyambona hayi uthi ngabo 3 ngabe nsithi nga Thana umntwana gela hambe emendweni thatha ngakho thatha umntanami bebengahlali khatshana lo Buddhas so it wasn't the thing yokuthi umela kade umchova anything uthi hayi ngangizokhela sibili ngawokha thatha umntwana ngazokhela thwala ubuntu wami siyabona udade wakhe uthi nxa ngifika anti ugadi ibhasi yanini yange Friday ntambama ufike kuyiSaturday uthi nxa ngifika yawo ngihle ngibona ukuthi kule big inkinga ye problem there is a big problem uthi ngiyafika lapha ngibone kulabantu abanengi kulokuli tent inyana hayi azitshela ukuthi yazi probably bayenze welcome party kamokai hayi kuyanukelela intuthu yathunqa yaphecezela phezu kwejurawuli lehlahla zamamengo laphani i-chai break dance lamahlamvu ezihlahla zepintshisi intuthu kuyaphekwa kuyaxoxa kuyahlekwa everything is imthebelele yonke into ihamba ngolayini nje uyakubona nje nxa ethutsha ukuthi ya this is ngifike ngivula igede ngingena nxa ngingena ngiyababona abantu bakinyebukula bangikhangela abancane abantwana balapha ekhaya kade ngiphila labo abangaziyo anti malume kodwa nxa besithi malume bayenzani babaleka abathi malume bendlanda balibehamba one or two sisters come across bezobebuye nje everyone is so nervous at this point uthi uyababona vele ukuthi bayethukile ngokuba khona kwami la sebethatha umntwana njani nanasa kade usukhule kangaka wena butshununu kade uhlale ngini khona ngalusu waziwaba mkhulu kangaka umntwana waziwa tintini my baba uthi ngithi ngicela ukutshela ukuthi abantu kwawungana abakwazi ukuthi mina abamboni ba sebekhuluma nomntwana uthi singene anti izindlu zekhaya leza izindlu zekhaya nxa ungene yadini most of them zabe ziseduzane legate nje so kule space esincane sokuthi ufake itende egedini but then nxa usungena uyahamba between ijurawuli lomduli nxa ungangena ngefront usangena ngeback between ijurawuli lomduli kuyabe kulokuyingumkodo lokhana abantu ababehamba ngakho besithi ezindaweni eziningi ezalihamba ngomkodo lo kumbe kule side kuyabe kulengadi mina ngikhumbula mostly izinto zabo magwegwe kwabalanda luveve ngapi so uthi ngithatha umntwana ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kuleli side kugcweleni izimbiza kuyaphekwa kule mlilo anje so ngihambe ngangapha ngeside lenganga ugele uthi yazi nxa ngisiyangena emnyango ngeback door ngisiyangena ngiqala umama zala thawahle wama wabamba inhliziyo wathi no mntanami udingani la phakathi ngizwe ukuthi awukhulekani ukhona wathi uzwe awukwazi ngathi hayi angikwazi uthi sisa ngaleso sikhathi inhliziyo yami ngichala uvalo solumila ngobilo nxa uchala uvalo lolana not lokuthi uyesaba but more like you can feel a premonition of something really bad going to happen and uthi ngase ngichala uvalo I could feel inhliziyo yami feel like ukuthi ngani ngifuna ukuhlanza umoya uyavaleka sengimile lapha akasathola ngamntwana umntwana sebemthetha abo anti bakhe bagithi makhe uthi sengimile emnyango sengiqholola amehlo phela ukuthi ngitshela kathesi ukuthi kwenzakalani what is going on because I know it is bad whatever it is just tell me now uthi mama usala la iseqholola amehlo sisithi mntana nami bakithi mina yazi into zabantu angizithandi uthi ngathi kuyini mama ukuhamba njani ukhule kani ungaphi lithe uthi nyembe seqalisa ukuyehla sengiqhuqa amadolo sebuhlungu sokusithi vele ngigoce ngehleka khona ukuma ngiyazi ukuthi vele whatever it is that's happening here is going to be bad for me angithi masalathi hayi uya ngapha singene abantu sebebukele phela abaphuzo omama abaphekayo abomgosi omama abaphekayo sebemile lapha sebevula indlela ukuze ukuthi what is happening here uthi hayi semphefumula ngomlomo ke at this point and mama ngitshela nini kuyini kanti in all of this akacabanga ukuthi what could be the worst thing akala idea of what the worst thing could be but she knows ukuthi whatever it is that is happening right now izaba buhlungu vele kuye umama mdonsele kwenye ama bedrooms afika ngenela lapha kade ihlala khona lapha ngiyabuya uthi ngihlale lapha uthi sisangahlala I have never prayed so much empilweni yami uthi ngangihleli lapha ngisithi uNkulunkulu baba ngiyakucela whatever it is please return it to sender Nkosi yami ngiyacela baba shwa mina ngazi kuwone uthi ngangikhuleka ngikhuleka ngihlezi khona phana ngibusy ngenhliziyo ngibiza uNkulunkulu lamadlozi ukuthi bakithi ngiyacela lingiholele hambe lami ngalesi sikhathi ngoba ngikwazi ukuthi what is coming for me right now angikwazi ukuthi what is happening right now angazi ngiyacela lingisize ithi ingqondo yami yayishabalala isiyale but because abantu abaphekayo bayahleka and everything it's obviously not imfa. So she's not really worried ukuthi kungabe kulomuntu ofile but I understand ukuthi yini enzakalayo and why won't they just tell her outright ukuthi so fika sishaya imicimbi hayi udonsele bedroom achiya khapha wavalelwa kwathiwa ngiyabuya uthi hayi sengihlezi lapha sengikhuleka sisa sengibiza inkosi inyembezi ziyayehla ngiyaqhuqa and you know ukuthi nxa ukhulekela ngaphakathi imlomo yakhe yabimove. You know these situations can be very traumatic sometimes, especially when it's a situation ongayaziyo wena ukuthi kuyini but it's more in your mind. You are thinking the worst of the worst of the worst, and sometimes the worst is not exactly what it is that you thought it was. So uthi ngangihlezi lapha but ngingawazi ukuthi into engiyisaba more than anything else right this moment engingayizwa iyo engangimisa inhliziyo kuyini, but I knew ukuthi whatever was coming ayizangisela inhliziyo. Uthi ngihlale I felt like they left me there for an hour but apparently it was 10-15 minutes. Ugela uthi ngide ngisahlele umnyango ovuleka abe ngena kube ungena uthi kwangena usisi kakhulekana oyi1 esamkhangele ungena usisi kakhulekana uthela umntwana athi right go right noma ngi right athi sathi ngi right ukhulekana ngene uthi umuntu wami sesawayenza mfatsha bakithi UK ayimgezise wayesegainele kuyiweight esesiqabhobhe sihle sicwebezela esihle uthi ngathi ngimbona I yazi ukuthi umuntu lo ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. There is nothing he can ever do that is wrong engeke ngafa ngamthethelela yona, like as he standing here everything ayekuyenza engi-ignore esenzani just vanished into thin air because ngiyamthanda. My love for him was just something else. Thakhulekana ngene to yes noma usharp phela ngisukume phela ukuthi ngibingelele umuntu ngimahage hayi hage yangikhoni yaqanda ngibinge hage amadola amachi achayana, but at this moment sengicanga ukuthi at least inkosi yami can't be that bad khulekana ethi hlala phansi kumele sikhulume. Uthi ngahlala phansi laphana ngathi kuyini usisi ukhulekana phawuthi ukhulekana wabe ngikhanyela wathi eish yeah umuntu aluma imlomo aginya amathatheni usisi kakhulekana besithi yazi noma iqiniso ukuthi ukhulekani unjani ulobolile namhlanje ufike ngelanga ukuthi umakoti uzolethwa lapha ekhaya. Uthi ngathi ulobolile elobola ba uthi sisa I think I went and had a really nxa umuntu kuthiwa ungaba le dark moment where everything just spins because it's such a shock. Uthi I felt like that ukuthi ngafeel iroom ibhoda then I just passed out. Ngangithi ngisavuka ngavuka sengithelwa ngamanzi sengihlaliswe laphana abantu sebeleke besithi bizana bangibo kati wayengatshelwanga. She can hear a lot of things going on. Xa evuka sebuza kwisethukile phela because it's something that's never happened to. She's never passed out in her life. Uyabo akaze afainte akaze abe unconscious or anything like that. So that experience as well is quite scary because 1 minute ubemile laphana listening to these people talking, the next minute usevuka kukhanya ngani ubewile umbobelele or something, but she has no memory of what has just transpired. So obviously child uvalo nxa evuka uthi sesangavuka ngangikhala I felt like isiso sami siyasikwa ngenqamo. I could feel inhliziyo yami ichaya ngane zaphuma ngomlomo because I didn't understand what was happening. Ngiyagula kuyini okwenzakale. And now temporarily for that 1 second when she wakes up she doesn't remember ukuthi ukhulekana umtshele wathi ulobolile ukuthi bamtshele bathi. So she doesn't remember that bad news for that 1 millisecond when she wakes up. So I didn't remember ukuthi that's what I was told. But nxa sengingani sokusithi dlwe kungikhona kuphenduka ukuthi yo umuntu wami angisekho la ungiyalile, he's betrayed me, uhambe wathatha omnye umfazi. Uthi ngambuza ngathi khulekani thala isemila phansi eqhulu lamehlo because remember guys ngama 3 normally umakoti phela uyabuyangena ngabo 4 khona be 2 minutes late to me in no time kuyabe kuhlatshela usimthethe bunyame ni egedini. So ukhulekani ngalasi isikhathi sokuma lapha explain izinto ngoba umakoti wakho uyangena anytime la bangiwe. Yabo. So now this thing has to be wrapped up really fast and quick and get rid of uNoma quick. uNoma nangu uyachaya uthi ngiyabobula lapho ngani ngifela. Abantu babhizi bangena baphuma abanye bamemnyango balalele phela izindlebe ukuthi kuhambani kuthiwa kutheni kanti uhamba njani. You know, kuyaxoxa kwenziwa yonke into but yena she's trying to ask him ukuthi why, what did I do, what happened, ngwangaphi siswa ngikhona. Kuthiwa khulekane ethi you remember ngize ngikutshela ukuthi kulo sesilwana wathi uyangincedisa. You know izinto, you know umuntu oyindoda. It gives her this long story of how umuntu oyindoda ngaphile engelamfa engelamuntu ongumfazi phansi kwakhe all this time, you know ubencedisa besiphila sonke what mina when I told you ukuthi sengithola umuntu othe uzancedisa I thought ukuthi maybe you might get the hint at that time because the idea was ukuthi achade lo sislo. This is what he said. The idea was ukuthi achade lo sislo then balungisa amaphepha abo bazibuyelele no more COS, none of that bullshit anymore. So ndobuthenganga understand. So manje isikhathi sonke lesi sikhuluma you would call me my love uthi anto asinxanxa phela usungani uyabungani hysterical anje ukuthi manje ama message akho le lapho daily uzuza uthi sengiscrolla ngibele emuva ngisiyabala ngimphendula ngimlalisa ama voice note yakhe ngimthintini ukuthi lapha wawutholo lase lihlangene lase lilonke lo muntu wakho lo what was going on at this point, why ungenza so. I think umntwana ke you are confused. So was it kwakunguwe yini watshela abangeni ukuthi bambuyisi bangixoxe ngibuyele ngikhaya? Was this already planned? Ukhulekani saying no kwakungaplanwanga. Eqinisweni kwakumele ubuyele ngini because truly fully speaking ngesintu sasivele singanjani sawuthathanga. But as it turns out ukhulekani wayesejelela abadala ukuthi kulomuntu afuna ukumthatha nomuntu afuna ukumlobola lento umuntu lo asonoma. So it won't ebadaleni it wasn't going to make sense vele kwakungasoze kuyenza ukuthi bona bathumele yebo ukhulekani lo nkazana lo basemazweni base UK le konke ku right akula problem but kwakungasoze kuyenza ukuthi bathumele omalume ukuthi bayovela ngale behlezi lo munye umntwana lapha ekhaya. Yabo this is why mama kakhulekani wasaying ukuthini kahle thina silecala sihlezi lawe lapha singakwenzanga ngolutho and the more sihlala lawe the more icala langikhona li continue but in a way la wayezama ukuthi I guess ukuthi I'm protected from what was coming, you know. Ngani babemkhuzi lokhulekani maybe labo babevumelane like God knows what was happening in the family but to her uthi I felt like ukuthi at that moment in time ngalena langa I said uthi ngiyakhumbula sesangimtshela ngisethi khulekani if ngawuthethe inqamo wangigwaza ngafa it would have been better than what you've just done to me. Into ngenze yona ilulunya izihluku lonke labangini you had so much time ekade lingantshela akulanto ekade ngizaliyenza yona akulanto bengizalenza lona loba sokuthena I would never have forced you to be with me. I think ngasoze ngikade kubuye ikhe khona lapho ngizokuchaya kade ngasoze ngibuye khona lapha ngini ngizochaya abangini kade ngizakhala ngigrieve ngiyenze whatever I need to do but I would have known the truth. Kade as I walk in here sengikhala ungani ngifele sengiziyanisise ebantwini sokungani ngikhalela wena sokungani kumbeni ngililema abantu bakho labo bazabuya bandithole khona lapha. I'm sure you've told the stories about me ukuthi I'm a deranged baby mama which she will come here athole nginje. You know, uthi sisangakhala ngathi ngakwenzani, what did I do to you, what tell me ukuthi ngakuphambanisa ngaphi empilweni ukuthi uze ungenze so ungenze isihluku esingaka. I've waited for you. I have been with you almost 8 years. I wasted 4 years of my life before you left for UK. Ngaba lo mntwana you left me here, lo mntwana sele 2 years and then today you tell me what you gave me a hint. Wangipha hint. Abafana the boys wangipha hint. I should have. But after that hint there were the messages. Yebo waqanda soon after a while, but the truth is the messages were still there. The communication although yayi sporadic yayi ngaso communication yabantu asebeyalene kumbe yomunye ongathanda omunye. So he kept stringing her along. Yabo he kept stringing her along. Uthi sisangangimbiza ngo babe. Sometimes I would send him ama notes kind of, you know, uthi uzathi hey ngiyakukhumbula mebugeza uthatha ipicture umthumezele, you know, I miss you, do you not miss this and things like that. because ngumuntu wakho, and sometimes he would respond back ngama voice notes, hey uyangibulala, hey things like that. But the truth of the matter is ngimbulala nginjalo ehlala lomunye umuntu kumbe sephilisana lomunye umuntu yazi ukuthini 4 years is too much. Wena abantu bajwela ama 10 years lapho ungatsheli 4 years yini ngaphansi komthunzela. So uthi at that point obviously so there is the sympathy around abemuli abosisi bakakhulekani lo mama, really there is this sympathy around uNoma, but at the same time there's an agency yokuthi we need to get this woman out of here, you know, and continue with the day. Seliruinile already as it is, yabo. So uthi hayi one of the sisters wasesithi ayazi ukuthi noma maybe into ongayenza engakusiza, because she could see how distraught she was, yabo. Wasesithi into ongayenza wathi mina nguphelekezele ngikhaya, yabo, wathi nguphelekezele ngikhaya, sambe ngikhaya. You can ask me what you need to ask me, anza kunika wonke ama answers wafunayo except for umjolo wabo, but the rest of the how things have happened and evolved to this point niza answer mina questions. But it will be very sad for you personally ukuthi abantu laba bafike wena ukhona la, you know, umbone usisiloku mbela yakubona or whatever, gcina sokusenzakala ama drama, you know, as a family thina we don't want this to be the legacy yokuthatha kwakhulekani or whatever. But ukuthi wena la libe khona in the same space, so just what won't make sense, uyakhala, you are distraught, abantu sebekubukele. And the sister explained properly ukuthi hayi ngabe ngisithi hayi ngithatha umntana nami ngisihambele, thatha umntana nami uhamba antena lo sisikakhulekani mina wakhe kakhulekani, a female anyway, I don't know if he's old or young, wasempelekezela bahamba bekhuluma ke emtshela ukuthi hayi azi ukuthi lathi sinje we were as shocked as you are when it first began. Lathi siqala ukuzwa ukhulekane eqala ukuthumela ukuthi usefuna ukuthatha, usethola umuntu, impilo yemazweni is different, he's found someone different, someone that he loves, someone who appreciates him, izinto ezinjengazana lezo, umuntu ongafanani lawe. And uthi before everyone in the family were saying ukuthi umuntu ngonjani umuntu wangikhona, because uNoma omchiye lapha umntana lo lomthetho, umntana lo kuzalela umntwana uyakugcina uyasigcina and all that. And he was very frank with them and said nxa nimthanda ngakwele imthathele na, because mina sengithola umuntu engifuna ukumthatha. So gela uthi hayi ngathi hayi ngizwisisile ngizwile hayi ke ungazi kufana lokufa ngoba namhlanje bengizokufa fifi. But anyway, sometimes ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu uyazireveal empilweni yakho for a reason. This is a lesson that I've had to learn the hardest of ways, but ngiyajabula ukuthi, you know, I have found out now. Can you imagine ukuthi ngabafike balobolana bathathana bahamba ekhaya, mina next time vele gole ngibuye ntontoro thola umntwana uhapha nizofika khona lapho sengani ngilile amalinga ntshela, you know. uNoma is in South Africa right now. Uthi ukhulekani yena wasuka wabuyela wahamba ngibo that day. Obviously the ceremony whatever was happening ngokhulekani yayenzakala yadlula that Saturday. Sunday yena njengomuntu olele vele le stress ogulayo, depression isimchayida intongo, selele kasafuna ukukhuluma nomuntu utshone ekhala. You know, sometimes uyabusuzibuza ungumuntu when things like this happen ukuthi what did I do wrong, where did I go wrong, what is it that is wrong with me, ukuthi umuntu angaze angenze so. Because when it comes to izinto, you know, matters of the heart, izinto zomjolo ngithi, there is always one person ongene ngenhliziyo la ngamaphaphu. Then there is one person, uyazi kulabanye abantu abakuthi uyangena in a relationship ngothando lwakhe lonkanje, uthando lwakho liyaphangisa futhi ukutshintsha. Uyakwanisa ukuthanda mina namhla, sasa ke thanda uthaphelo in the same energy akade thanda mina ngayo. Sasa la kuthaphelo asuka hamba ethanda omunye umuntu nge same energy, and very easy to turn like that. Kube labanye abantu ukuthi it takes them time to fall in love, and when they do they're in it for a long haul. Ukuthi kuba nzima when the relationship just breaks like that. It takes some time to heal. uNoma is one of those people. Uthi I struggled. I had taken a few days off work. It wasn't even a week. Ngangitshela ukuthi ngizahamba fike ngibona umuntu wami bese ngifanele manager ngibatshela ukuthi angisoze ngikwanise ngifike ngagula ekhaya. Uthi mama wami wangithatha wangihlalisa phansi lapha ngathi abafana bafunde mntanami, impilo vele inje. This is what life is like. Kunje abanye balenhlanhla abanye balomnyama. Lesopho ukuthi lapha asethole khona uthi this was my mother, enhlaliswa wathi lesopho ukhulekani lapha asethethe khona uza kuthola ukujabula, uza kuthola konke akufisayo empilweni. And lawe ngendlela akwenze ngayo ungabazondi abantu besilisa, ungabazondi amadoda, ungazondi, ungahambi futhi baqathanisa lokhulekana ngoba abafani. Lo ungahambi futhi usesaba ukuthi fall in love ucabanga ukuthi baza kuyenza khona kokwenziweyo. Kwesisikhathi uba lo mnyama empilweni, kwesisikhathi izinto zenzakala. Ingcenye vele wayengayenzelwanga wena, you know. Ingcenye wayevele elethwe empilweni yakho ukuthi azothatha certain, akuthathe from one path to the next. Yabo uthi I could see ukuthi umama uzama ukunduduza, uzama ukumbonisa impilo ukuthi no matter how hard, no matter how tough it looks, no matter how dark it is at this moment in time, this should not define the rest of your life. You're a beautiful girl, you know, you've got so much ahead of you. Yebo maybe awungeke ubusaya emazweni ngayo khulekani, you've hung on to that thread yokuthi uza emazweni. Maybe this is what you thought ukuthi luthando, maybe all okade ukukhangelele kuye emazweni, but nxa kade kuluthando ungayesabi ukuthanda futhi, because ukhona umuntu phandle who is going to love you equally as you will love him. Ukhulekani might have loved you in the past, but namhlanje ngalesi sikhathi esikhona akasakuthandi, and uselesikhathi engakuthandi. Maybe ngenye imini you will sit back and look back ukubona ukuthi ukhulekani wagcina ukungithanda ngalesi sikhathi, and you'll be so shocked ukuthi it's probably a long time ago, and subconsciously you've known ukuthi kasakuthandi, but somehow you've held on to that because wena ubumthanda. So it was such a hard conversation to have, mainly the mother talking rather than her yene khala kuphela ukuthi kodwa mama ngiyamthanda, kodwa mama angaze ngenze so ukhulekani, maybe ngakhuluma la mama ke sithi no, cut those ties. It's unfortunate ukuthi sokulomntwana phakathi ngoba now you are going to be connected to this man for the rest of your life. Regardless uyafuna kumbe kawufuni, uyabo usay part of your life forever. Uzahlale ngophi your baby daddy, the father of your first child, probably the man who broke your heart to a million pieces. Every time ubona umntwana lo, she will remind you of him. But as life goes on, uzamkhohlwa, you will forget this pain, you know. Pain yothando, pain ye-heartbreak, ifanele pain yokuzala iyadlula to a point ukuthi umuntu esithi angazi xa ulabo baba balale, you know, ukuthi ukuzala ngesikhathi sangikhona uzala yakuthi angeke ngiphinde Nkosi yami ubuhlungu ngiphe ngafa, but uzathola ukuthi the same person uyaba nabantwana 6 7 8, yabo aba nabantwana 6 7 8, kodwa every time ethi ngiphose mayibabo ngiphose ngafabele mithi mayibabo ngiphose nomjolo njalo, you know ukuthi ukhulekani ungenzela ukhangenzile khona, but you will fall in love again. You probably have your heart broken a couple of times. You will probably break a few hearts as well in your quest to find the right person, but uzamthola ngeleni lawo. Okay, ngathi hayi ngizwile phali izikhwama zami, ngene ebhasini ngahambe ekhaya ngabuyele eGoli. Uthe sesa ngangena ebhasini lana oconductor baze babuza ukuthi sisikade ufelwe yini bantu, uthi ngangihamba ngekhala ungihlezi nje ebhasini, yazi ukuthi uyahlala uqamela iwindow nje uyenze so, uthi ngangihlezi inyembezi ziphongo yehla so kungemandi kulabantu abayiGoli. Most of the time most people live ngesanda nti besenzela ukuyabamba umsebenzi emandi, but uthi mina ngasuka ngemandi. So ibhasi vele yayi almost empty. Uthi yabe hamba bezama ukwenza izipitch abafana abo thangobana abo conductor bamabhasi labana bezama ukwenza izipitch lami bekhuluma lami, you know, sisomhla kangaka kanti ukhalelani bakithi benkosi, you know, bezama, but uthi I was not there. Ngakhala umango wonke from anzange ngilale futhi for the second time, ngahamba ngikhala eborder ngayehla ngadindisa passport. Uthi ubhuti wandindisela passport wathi alright, thangathi ni right, wathi ayokho right sisi uyakhala, something is wrong, uthi ayinzoba right, wathi ayokusempilweni. Ngadindisa passport ngangena ebhasini ngahamba ngikhala ngaze ngafika eGoli ngahamba endlini ngakhala futhi, spent utanzange ngiyemsebenzini, ngafona tshela manager ukuthi ayi yazi thini uthi ngatshela manager ngathi ayi kuku something has happened, I need a bit of time. Uthi but yena ube ngumuntu vele besebenza nzima, ube ngumuntu very reliable emsebenzini, so manager didn't feel some type of way, was happy to accommodate her. Uthi umlungu wami sibili wayezisisa wavela wathi take a few more days, maybe ubuye nini towards weekend, anti yena wayefike nge Tuesday. So manager wathi ama days oqalisa khona ukuba busy is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so take these days ukusubuya ngeFriday if you are feeling bad. Utanzange ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyagula, uthi vele sisangazi sefonini ngimtshela something has happened, ngivele ngikhala. Tawahle wavela wathi don't you worry about it, it's okay, don't cry, sort out what you need to sort out and come to work on Friday. wathi ngathi okay thank you uthi ngantshona ngindeyande endlini impotapota ngizibuza ukuthi kade Jehova ukhulekani ngamenzani kade mina umfana lo wangamthini kanti mina ngonani emhlabeni. You start to think ukuthi there is something wrong with you, but umuntu has their own choice when it comes to into zamanje. Umuntu uyakuchiya nje just like that ahamba ethatha omnye umuntu ungabi indaba zalutho kuye, but enga understand what they have done to you. Uthi hayi ke after a couple of days labangikhaba bebefona phela bebuza uright ungakuthathi kabuhlungu kangako, you will need ukuthi nganye ngalali depression yayimchayile, but she didn't realize that she was severely depressed by the situation, very much stressed. Hayi labangani emaceleni lapha bethi hayi wena ungadlaliseli ungabi le ndaba ungakhaleli umuntu oyindoda ungakhaleli indoda. Hayi ke kwaya ngesikhathi kwaphela ukhulekani ukuthi uthi wabuyele UK uthe sese UK uthi wasidlami phela anti umuntu wakho uthi ngihamba ngasinupha ke khona le ku Instagram ngathola amalobola day pictures. Hayi bekumnandi kwakhanya kwakukuhle udadewethu laye muhle sibili siyalingana body size, kodwa hayi ke hayi ukuthi ugayile type akulandaba. Athi inhliziyo yami ithi ngike inbox ngimbuzo sisiloko ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi uthethwe indoda yomuntu mbiye ngithi anyway into ze drama kazisisizi ngalutho. Uthi hayi ke ngahlala a month or 2 after kudlulile lami ngisathi ngizama ukuhila ngizama ukuphola ngithini ngase ngimthumela imessage ku WhatsApp ngamblokanga ngase ngimthumela imessage ngisithi hayi bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi manje umntwana unjani, uzayenzani sizayenza njani in terms of support ngoba nisoze ngikwanise ngi1 lami ngiyahereza egoli khona ngapha. Thwase sithi thathi ngizakhuluma lo mngami sibona ukuthi siyenza njani. Mtshela the pandemic athi ngizakhuluma lo mngami sibona ukuthi siyenza njani that we are expecting. So obviously nxa umntana mesezelwe khathi lo mnyaka somntana mesezelwe there will be my responsibilities will be to my family. So ngizasiza lapha ngisiza khona uthi ngathi no guy awusizi, you are supporting your child, you awusizi uyesupporta umntanakho yabo. Thawa besithi into engazifuniyo thathi amfuni into zechike amfuni nxa uthi you're going to come to my WhatsApp like this I'm going to block you. Tingathi okay chiya kunjalo the nerve uthi ngakuchiya kunjalo ngathi hayi vele amboni ukuthi there is any way I can talk to you without ukuthi ngibe lolaka ngicine sengivuka ngamandla ngcono ngokuthi mzwana uzwe kuthiwa uyafisa ukusupport umntana wakho uzayenza okufunayo. This is the last phone call I'm going to make to you about this child, whether to you, to your family, to anyone. Angiyeke liphindele ngizwe ngimmention to you. Right. So ugela uthi hayi sahlala a while uthi out of the blue ngelinlanga a couple of months later umama kaNoma wamfonela ethi uyazi ukuthi ngithola imessage la inumber yase UK. Ngithola imessage ithi yona ingithumela ama details kuthiwa ngiyocollect imali. Athi ukhulekani ufakele uMasalu imali wathi ngiyomntwana think kwa birthday yomntwana. I'm sure wayesesiyakubamba 3 years at that point or 2 years, I don't know, 3 years I'm sure, because antuthe laphana umntwana wayesezaba wayelabo 2 at some point. I don't know what birthday it was, but ukhulekani wafakela ubani uMasalu imali ukuthi ayicollect, wahamba wacollect imali thengela umntwana impahla wathengela konke umntwana akufunayo. Wasesithi going forward uzabe a communicator either lo mama wakhe yena ukhulekani or lo mama kaNoma if it is to do with the child. He doesn't want to talk to Noma, he doesn't want to deal with the Noma what I as long as support umntana wakhe mina lama kunjani akula ama dealings engiwafuna la, so I am alright, ni right ngakhona lokho lani lizabonga liyenze likwenzayo, but it is what it is. So Noma uthi as it stands ubaba uyasupporta lapha za kusitsho khona yathumeza, and like he said his immediate family is his responsibility. Laba abanye uzanceda lapha ncedisa khona. So that's where we are. During the pandemic. Okay.